Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your RZR Pro XP. Over time, the engine oil breaks down and eventually it doesn't lubricate as well as fresh engine oil would. And on top of that, there can even be contaminants in it, especially after engine break-in. And that's why you need to stay up on your scheduled maintenance, get that oil changed out, and that's going to help prevent any premature wear on your engine. Now, we're working on a 2020 RZR Pro XP, and the scheduled maintenance for this for break-in is every 25 hours or 1 month of use, and every 50 hours or 6 months of use thereafter. So let's go ahead and get this oil changed out. To do this job, we have a T40 Torx bit, 6mm Allen socket, 64mm oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. You'll also want some rubber gloves, safety glasses, and rags. As far as parts go, we're using the Tusk oil change kit. This kit comes with your choice of oil, an oil filter, and a crush washer. And then we're also using some contact cleaner to help clean everything up. To get this oil changed out, we're gonna have the machine on a level surface in a well-ventilated area, run the machine for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll remove the drain plug. And this drain bolt's gonna be the 6mm Allen socket. The next step is to remove the oil filter. We'll access this from the rear wheel well on the driver's side, and I'm gonna place a rag underneath it to catch any oil that spills. Next, we'll take a rag and clean the sealing surface for the oil filter, and then we'll apply a little bit of fresh oil to the oil filter O-ring and install it. And you're just gonna tighten this 3/4 of a turn after the gasket lightly seats against the engine case. Now we can remove that rag that was underneath the oil filter and you wipe up any oil that did spill. Now we can clean up our drain plug and sealing surface. We'll install a new crush washer onto the drain plug and torque it down to 12 foot-pounds. The next thing we need to do is remove the cargo bed. So we're gonna remove these 4 bolts. With the bolts out, we can lift up on the bed and remove it. After that, we'll remove our oil fill cap and fill the engine with 2.6 liters of oil. And then we'll reinstall the fill cap. Now that we have oil in the engine, we're gonna start it up for about 30 seconds and then let the engine sit for a minute. We'll check the level on the dipstick and we'll top off the oil if we need to, and then we can reinstall the cargo bed. And that's all there is to getting the oil changed out on your RZR Pro XP. It's a really simple job to do, and if you need the Tusk oil change kit that we use today, it's available on our website along with a lot of different options. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a lot of other helpful content on there. Thanks for watching.